This week, Maria bikes the French countryside.
Justin updates us on the dog attack.
Lenny decides to jump ship.
Justin assumes we all own a boat.
We all know what that's like.
And we are unsure if Mick is in France or Italy.
Buongiorno.
Give us an update just on when Lenny bit your finger.
Righto. The pharmacist said that my finger should be okay because I had my tetanus 5 years ago. He kind of brushed me off really, and he said, "Oh, buy some antiseptic." But we already got antiseptic, so we're all right. We're all good. And this morning now, it's not as puffy and it's not as sore. So I'll take this bandage off after and it'll be okay.
Hey Lenny, where are we off now? So we're going south now. We're just going past Lille, but we're going on the country roads because it is such a nice drive. Driving through the French countryside is absolutely gorgeous, and one thing that we've noticed is that there are no hedges. So when we're driving through like Britain and you're going through the countryside, you can't really see over the hedges, so that means that you can't see as many miles as you can see here. But France, there's just no hedges, and you can just see for miles and all the different colours in the fields. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah.
So we've just pulled up now in a little park for night. Ooh, just underneath Lille. We're right next to a canal. And look at this boat, this barge behind me. Oh my god. I'm sure it's an houseboat because it ain't going up the lock, which is up there. There's no way it's going under that bridge. So it must have to come from down there. But there's no way he's turning around. He's going to have to reverse all the way back. We all know what that's like. But yeah, look at this little park up here. It's just a tiny little park up off the main road. And there's a big, well, what it looks like miles long of a bike path, which gives me an excuse to get the electric scooter off the back of the van and Maria her electric bike off, and we're gonna go for a little ride. I know this is only the second time Maria's been on it, so she's a little bit worried. She's got a little bit of anxiety. How she's gonna fit Lenny on the back in a little basket, I don't know, but we're gonna try. Let's see how it goes. Ooh, she's off. She's off on her first go. Ooh. Go on, go on. She's off, go on. Pedal. Well, that's how that went. I didn't think it was going to go any different. Now she got to catch him now. I thought that was amazing, coming down here.
Yeah, these bikes are good, mind.
What was that like on an electric bike?
Amazing.
Yeah, first go ever. Whoosh. Nice. Ooh, Lenny had to wait in the van.
So my bike, we were halfway down the path. Well, we were on our way back, thank God, really, and everything just went dead. When I did know that I had 3 bars left on there. So Justin had to walk it home. I went on Mick's bike and Mick went on Justin's scooter. So we're just going to have a look at the bike now, because we think the battery hadn't actually died, or it did die, but it worked too hard for some reason. And we're thinking it's the front tyre is on a bit too tight, because it is quite hard to pedal when you start off before the motor kicks in. You explain now what you're doing to the bike, Rooney.
I can take the wheel off because the front wheel is too, look at that. It's just too tight, this binding. It's binding on something, so whether it's binding on these or binding on the disc brake, maybe the pads are in. They're too tight, I don't know, but it's something, because this one don't turn, and that's the one with the motor on, and that turns quite
nicely. Yeah. And the thing is, because we've never had a bike like this before, we didn't really realise what it's supposed to be like, but I did think it was really hard to pedal when you're starting off before the motor kicks in, and but we just thought that was just the way it's supposed to be, but obviously not, because the battery has died really quickly on it. So that's what they're doing now. So Justin is now looking through his toolkit he brought with him.
See if we got anything.
Yeah. Lenny! Lenny's running around by the canal. He's desperate to get in there. Well, that seems better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There we are.
Perfect.
Oh, something's fallen off. Coffee time in the Blodwen mug. How about that then?
Who's a traitor then? Who's a traitor?
Who's a traitor with the expawers mug? Well, Mick. That was cool, Mick.
That's a fantastic boat.
Yeah.
Where was you?
I was over there, up on the other side of the bridge, filming I'm coming through.
I heard a beep beep.
Yeah.
That was them, was it?
Yeah. Fabulous. It's finished. Yeah, one day we would like to hire a boat and do the French canals. I think it would just be such a lovely experience. And the canals here are gorgeous, they're absolutely beautiful.
He's going to shoot off now like one of those American power boats.
Yeah,
With
just fly through it.
Yeah.
Whizzing.
With the 4 engines on the van.
It'll be like that YouTube clip now where they're on that speedboat and they're all being flung everywhere. Oh, look at that, love. That'd be amazing. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did creating it.
We can't express enough how grateful we are for your continued support. You, our amazing viewers, are the reason we love doing what we do.
If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting content, please consider subscribing to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll be among the first to know when we release new videos.
Your subscriptions mean the absolute world to us, and they truly do help our channel grow. So if you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe and become a valued member of our community.
Thank you all so much for watching. Remember, your likes, comments and shares are greatly appreciated and they go a long way in supporting us.
We are incredibly lucky to have such an incredible audience like you. Let's keep inspiring and entertaining each other on this journey together.
So, let's make a deal. If you subscribe right now, we promise to continue delivering awesome content that you'll absolutely love.
Thank you for being a part of our channel. We can't wait to see you in the next video. Hey Goaty, my puppy keeps chasing people on a bike.
What are you gonna do about it, Lenny?
I'm gonna take his bike off him.
Buongiorno.